Hey, budget travelers! Are you ready to unlock a secret hack to save big on flights? Let me introduce you to Hidden City Ticketing. It's a clever strategy that savvy travelers use to fly cheaper. Here's how it works. Airlines often price flights with layovers lower than direct flights due to competition or demand. So if you want to fly from city A to city B, but notice a flight from city A to city C with a layover in city B is cheaper, you book the ticket to city C and simply get off at city B easy, right? Platforms like Skiplagged make finding these opportunities a breeze by highlighting such routes, but before you dive in, here are some crucial tips to keep in mind. First, avoid checked luggage. Your bags will go to the final destination you won't reach, so stick to carry-ons only. Second, use Hidden City Ticketing for one-way trips. If you miss a leg of your journey, airlines might cancel your return flight. Third, don't expect to earn frequent flyer miles. Skipping legs can violate airline loyalty program terms. And lastly, be discreet. Airlines frown upon this practice and may penalize frequent offenders. This hack works best for flexible one-way trips where the savings outweigh the potential risks. It's a smart way to make those expensive routes more affordable and keep your travel budget intact. So, are you ready to become a Hidden City Ticketing pro? Happy travels, and may your journeys be cheaper and more exciting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel hacks. Catch you on the next adventure.